Hello everyone, welcome back to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be sharing with you an Afghan macaroni recipe which my boys like to call
Is your shack yummy in my tummy?
To start off, I like to have all the vegetables washed, chopped, and all the ingredients, spices measured and ready to go. I will be using a pressure cooker today to cook the ground beef in, just to speed up the cooking process. Did you know that ground beef freezes quite well? That's one of the many reasons why I always have pre-cooked ground beef in my freezer. It is part of my monthly meal prep. Since ground beef is full of flavor and it's so versatile, I use it for different dishes throughout the week. When you're short on time, it helps eliminate that one step, and I don't know about you, but that's a plus for me. I like to use Lebanese, which you can purchase from Smart & Final, any Afghan store or Mediterranean stores. But if you wanted, you could substitute it with a plain Greek yogurt or kurut. For this macaroni dish, I like to use leeks, but when off season, I substitute it with fresh cilantro and spring onions. Here comes my favorite part, building up our Afghan macaroni. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section, and while you're there, please feel free to leave a request for a dish you'd like to see me prepare. For you, this step is optional, but for me, it's a must. I refuse to have my macaroni without my fried jalapenos. Trust me, this one will be an instant favorite. That's why I'm including a vegetarian version for my vegetarian followers. This dish I have loved since childhood. It's comforting, simple and quick to prepare, not to mention insanely delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till next time.